Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to contact the Planner 5D support team. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Planner 5D. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Planner 5D if you of course haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. On the top here, as you can see, we have the products, resources, enterprise, and pricing. We also have in the top right corner your projects and all those things, of course. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact the Planner 5D support team. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically, you need to go and click on the bottom right corner. As you can see, you have a green icon here. Click on that, and here, as you can see, we have hi there, how can we help you? You can click chat with us. They typically reply under 4 minutes. You have the search for help, subscription cancellation, cancellation subscription, and those things. So you can go and seek the help there. You can click help, where as you can see, you have some things here, and the messages where you can go and click on chat with them. You can go and chat with them, and here you can see all the chats that you had with their support team. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.